Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5072033 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Now over here you can see pause update option. Click on pause over here, and once the update is paused, now you can resume the update. So this process may take some time. Now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services and then find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now once done, find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and over here if you see retry option, you can click on retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the scan complete. The scan will take some time. In my case, the scan is already done. Once done, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now, once the second scan is 100% complete, this will also take some time. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. That is KB5072033. Type in the name of the update over here and then click on search. And then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And over here, you can see the version. It's 25H2 in my case. And then check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, scroll down and then over here you can check the system type. In my case, it's x64. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. And then you can click on download over here. And then you have to click on KB5072033 and then let the download complete. The download will take some time. Once this is done, click on this file and then you can install this update manually. And once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. So go to Windows settings and then go to Windows Update option and then go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, you can log in and then you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. You can use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. This is Microsoft website. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. When you run the exe file, you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. Save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once this is done, click on finish and then let it close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. Click on next, click on accept and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.